Hi, dear faculty members, research scholars, and PG students. Welcome to my channel. In my previous video, how to manage references using tool part 1, I explained how to export references from the database sites, and similarly, I explained how to import, that is, add references into Mendeley. In this video part 2, how to manage references using tool, I am going to explain rest of the features available in the Mendeley. So these are all the features available in Mendeley. So using this we can do more works on while writing our research paper. That is, we have a web importer and MS Word plugin and references synchronization. Then I am going to explain how to insert citation into MS Word and how to insert bibliography into MS Word. So I am giving demonstration here. Now I am entering Mendeley. Here we have a Mendeley. Already we know the interface of Mendeley here. So here we have a tools, that is install web importer, and one more thing is MS Word plugin. So already I installed MS Word plugin so that it is showing uninstall. So suppose if I need to install web importer, just I am clicking here. It's redirected to the link. It is opening the Chrome. I am using Chrome browser, so it is opening the Chrome browser. So the option also get web importer for Chrome. Suppose if you use Firefox, the separately the plugin is available for Firefox. That is the extension. So accordingly we can install the extension here. So the icon will be appeared in the right top corner. Okay, so we can use this icon for importing references directly. Okay, so I am showing how it will work. So for example, here in the Google Scholar I am searching some keywords using thermal image processing. So I got some list of papers here. So I like to include this paper, that is dynamic analysis of water stress of sunflower. Okay, just I am clicking this one, the new tab. Okay, there. So there the papers also available here. So fortunately we have a PDF also. Okay, so here I clicking on the icon. Okay, so it is displaying all the informations which is available in the website. That is the paper name. Suppose if it is PDF is available, it is attaching the PDF also, so that it is taking more time to attach the PDF. Now it is available. Dynamic analysis of water stress sunflower leaves by means of thermal image processing system, and PDF also available here. So if you like to include in the Mendeley with the PDF, you can choose this option, add PDFs if available. Okay. So otherwise, if you do not like to include any PDF, just you can remove, uncheck the PDF if available. Okay. Here one more option also there. Whatever we have that folders, all the folders are listing here. Okay. So like that you can add the particular paper into the directly into the particular folder. I am choosing paper 1 set 1, already we created in the Mendeley. Okay, just I am adding this file to my Mendeley. It is adding. So I am entering again the Mendeley. So waiting for the inclusion of the particular paper. Okay, so just in the all documents now we can find, suppose sometimes it is not available dynamic, so it is not available here, so that time we need to synchronize. So synchronization is nothing but all the references stored in the Mendeley database, so that it is a wonderful option, because wherever we are going, so we can access all the references using laptop, PC and mobile also. So while you are including or you are downloading from the importing from the any website, so after that you can each and every time you can synchronize with uh, all the references. So the latest references also we can that is possible to see the in the corresponding folder. So here I am saying just it is added dynamic analysis of water stress is added. So from the web page also we can include the references using import web, that is web importer extension we can include. Okay, so accordingly we have we have to install the MS Word plugin in the uh, MS Word also. Okay, so before that I like to say some additional informations. So based on this PPT, so reference synchronization we did. Okay, so insertion citation into MS Word and insert bibliography into the MS Word. Okay, so before that I like to say we have a literature search also. Here we can search using some terms. Okay, that is here I am giving thermal image processing. So using this, so we have a list of papers available. Okay, that is it is extracted related to this keywords. So from here also we can uh, use this, include the references to the particular folder. So here I need this paper, I need this paper. Okay, like this I can include the paper here, this included. So like that from here also we can include the references to the corresponding folder here. Okay, so after that just I am creating a new folder for introduction section. Okay, and literature review section, literature review section. Okay, so whatever I like to include in the introduction section, just you can drag and drop the introduction section. For two papers I am here introduction section. Okay, for literature survey I may include a literature survey, more papers like this. So just drag and drop whatever you like to include in the particular folder. So this is convenience for while writing the paper. So you can segregate the introduction and literature review. No? So it will be used. Sometimes we will be use the same reference in the literature review also, as well as introduction section and in the experiment section also. So it doesn't matter, but understanding purpose. So we have to segregate all the references in the introduction section for introduction section and literature review section. So I am going to explain about how to include the citations in the Word file. Okay, so here already I copied some content here. Okay, so based on your plugin, so we have available that is the icon is available, the insert citation, insert bibliography options are there, and before that we have a lots of pattern, that is type also there, that is a format also there, that is reference formats. So here I am using some IEEE format. Okay, so based on that so we can include the citations. So here I am going to include some citations here, insert citation. So here using that some papers I am going to use. So for example, now recently I extracted this paper. Okay, so here I am giving insert. So now the reference is inserted. In the bottom of the paper, I am going to insert new section, that is the reference section. Here you can insert bibliography of the paper. Here you can see all the information is included in the reference paper, that is a references section. Okay, so like that again I am going to include some other paper. Just I like to know the name of the paper. This is asymptotic or an intelligent asymptotic. Okay, here again I am included here some other citation. So asymptotic, here the asymptotic paper is there. So for example I am giving, it should be related references. Here also automatically added in the bibliography. Okay, so in the literature review I am adding an intelligent, sorry, in the insert option, an intelligent. Okay, and intelligent. Like that I can include the paper. Okay, so here I am inserting some paper, some weld image deep learning. So like that I can include the papers. Okay, so if you like to change the format of the style of the references also, it is possible. That is APA format also we can include here. Okay, site so many formats are there. So I like to include this, like this type of format, so you can include, and accordingly it is changing. Accordingly it is changing the alphabetical order, C H T Z na. So like that automatically changing. So if you're using more than 50 references, 60 references, so the Mendeley is good for handling all the references. Now again I am changing IEEE here. Suppose I am inserting some references after writing paper. I am inserting references. So 1, 2, 3, 4 already there. Here I am inserting some other paper. Okay, that is again I am inserting the weld or something na, artificial neural network I am inserting. So see here automatically the numbers are rearranged 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also the recent paper included here, the artificial neural network. Okay, so like that we can handle all the references easily using Mendeley option. Okay, suppose here you can suppose not changes means, suppose it does not change means, just use refresh button, it is automatically changing the all the references accordingly. Okay, so like that we can insert citations and as well as insert bibliography using Mendeley. I hope you understand all the options available in the Mendeley. If you have any doubts, just give your comments on comment section. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Press the bell icon for notification.